Photoshop Graphic Design Tutorial number 2. In this tutorial, I will show how to make a greeting card using Photoshop and 2 pictures. Step 1. The Paint Bucket tool. Click on the Gradient tool on the toolbar. In the pop-out box, select the Paint Bucket tool. At the bottom of the toolbar, click on the left foreground color. The color picker box will pop up, and you can select whatever color you would like. Click OK after you select your color. Click anywhere on your untitled document to fill it with the color you selected. Step 2. The Marquee tool. Click on the rectangular marquee tool on the toolbar. Starting in one of the corners of your document, click and drag a rectangle. Select your Paint Bucket tool. Click the foreground color again to change your color. Click inside the rectangle selection to fill it with the color you selected. Click on the rectangular marquee tool again. Click and drag another rectangle. Change the foreground color. Select the Paint Bucket tool again and click inside the rectangle selection again. Go to Select on the menu bar, Deselect. Click on the rectangular marquee tool again. Click and drag a square or a rectangle over the picture you would like to add to your greeting card. Step 3. The Move tool. Click on the Move tool at the top of the toolbar. Click on your selection, hold down with your mouse, and drag it to the untitled document. You can then move your picture around and position it where you want it. Step 4. Free Transform. Click on Edit on the menu bar, Free Transform. Hold down Shift on your keyboard and drag a corner. Holding down Shift will keep your picture in the correct proportion. If you don't hold down Shift, you can squash your picture. Click on the Cancel icon on your options bar and you can start over. Click on Edit on the menu bar, Free Transform. Hold down Shift and drag a corner to make your picture larger. Click the check mark on the options bar to complete the transformation. Step 5. The Type tool. Click on the Type tool on the toolbar. In the pop-out menu, select the Vertical Type tool. Click one time on your greeting card. You can then type a word. If you would like to change the color, the size, or the style, click and drag your mouse to highlight the word. You can then select the color box on the options bar to change the color. You can change the style, the size, or the color of your text on the options bar. Click the check mark on the options bar to complete the text. The text can be repositioned using the Move tool. Step 6. Layer Style. To add an outline to this text, click on Layer on the menu bar, Layer Style, Stroke. You can also bring up the Layer Style box by double-clicking on the blank blue space inside of the layer in the Layers panel. You can change the size of the stroke and the color of the stroke using the Layer Style box. The Layer Style effects can be turned on and off in the Layers panel. Click on the little eye in the Layers panel to hide the effects or to turn them back on. Step 7. Quick Selection tool. Click on the Quick Selection tool in the toolbar. Starting in the center of the face, click and drag towards the edge. The face will then be selected. Click on the Move tool at the top of the toolbar. Click inside the selection and drag it to your untitled document. Click on Edit on the menu bar, Free Transform. You can then rotate, move, or change the size of the face to match the one in your original picture. Always remember to hold down Shift to keep the proportions correct. Step 8. The Eraser tool. Click on the eraser tool in the toolbar. The size and the hardness of the eraser tool can be changed in the options bar. Select the size you would like and use the eraser tool to erase anything not needed in your picture. An eraser with low hardness will create a soft outline around the picture and will make the two blend together even better. Step 9. Brightness and contrast. Click on Image on the menu bar, Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast. Change the brightness and contrast to match your original picture and then click OK. And here's the completed greeting card.